Hello guys, thank you for watching my videos and thank you for subscribing to my channel as well. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Also, at the end of the video, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit a like button so that YouTube can know how relevant it is and it can be used to suggest this video to other YouTubers. Today we are going to look at Gothic analysis. And to do that, we are going to also make use of a very, very simple example, very simple indeed, so that you can just be able to grasp the concept. But before I look at how to do it, I'm going to look at why do you need a Gothic analysis. Like I alluded to earlier on, with Excel, it's not about how to do certain things. I mean, how to do it, it's easy. You can Google and you can find uh, a lot of videos that will talk about how to do things. But the most important question you need to answer is what are the vast possibilities or capabilities of Excel? Or what can it do for me? How can it help me? Sometimes you'll be doing the same thing in a very different way, which is very slow and inefficient because you just don't know what is out there. So it's very important that you know what is out there than to know how to do it. How to do it, it's so much easier. You can even ask a friend. But if you don't know that it exists, you will struggle even to Google for it, and you even struggle to ask your friends for help because you don't even know when you need help. Now, having said that, what exactly is gossip? So imagine you have done a calculation, you have a very big spreadsheet. In my example, I have a budgeting spreadsheet that have so many tabs, so many pages, and all the formulas are linked to one another. But sometimes when you are discussing the budget, a question will come and say, what if we want, so my formula works this way. It starts with the inputs, then it gets to the output, which is basically the gross profit. But now someone would just say, okay, for interest sake, I want to know if I want a gross profit of X amount, how much do I need to change my marketing money, for example? And I know that if we change marketing money, it is going to influence the sales units. It is also going to influence the sales rand value. It is going to influence quite a number of things. All the things that it's going to influence, they are all formula linked and they pull through to my final number. So it's almost impossible with Excel to be able to now reverse engineer it or to be able to reverse calculate what your input should be. It works the other way around where you know the input and you want the end result. But now in my scenario where I want to know the input by changing the end result, a basic Excel spreadsheet will not be able to do it. But thanks to Excel, because they have a very, very powerful GOSIC functionality. So which is one we are going to look at on when we change the end result or when we want to set an end result to a certain amount that we know. How can we do that? So let's go straight to the spreadsheet where I'm going to show you that. This is my spreadsheet, and the formula that I'm just using is the conversion rate, where you are calculating your how much rands you can get from 100 US dollars. Very simple, no rocket science there. So yeah, I'm just saying this is the today's rate, 15 rand 59 per every dollar. So to if you have 100 US dollars, it means you have 1,559 rands. Now you might want to answer the question, if I want to have 2,000 rands, how much US dollars do I need? Easy, right? You can just say equals 2,000 rands divided by my rate. Then I say, okay, I'll need 128 US dollars. Easy. But how can you do it without messing up with your formulas, without changing anything on the formulas? So you can go here. I'm in Excel, so I was on home. So you go to data tab here and you go to what if analysis here under focus. Then you say what if analysis and you choose gossip. Then you say, okay, set value C3 because I want to set my rand value to 2,000. So to value to 2,000. Then it asks you by changing what cell. So which cell do you want to change? So You might ask, Clive, why do I need to mess up with my sheet like this? If with my, you might ask, Clive, why do I need to? You might ask, Clive, why do I need to mess up with my spreadsheet like this and change everything in my workbook without and to change everything in my workbook? But if you say cancel, this will not be saved, so it will just change back to where it was. Also, something that you can also do is, for example, you can say, I want to set value to 2000, but this time around, I don't have any extra US dollar amount, but I want to wait for the rate to be better so that I'll be able to buy 2000 rands using the same amount, but I just want to wait for the rate to change. So what the rate should be, then I just say, I want to change the rate. Then I change the rate, then you see 20 rand should be my rate. So this is quite a beautiful functionality that Excel has, and you can use it in many, many different fields. Anything that you can use a formula to calculate or formulas to calculate, you can basically use the Gaussian analysis in Excel. And you can use it in data analysis, you can use it in budgeting, you can use it in engineering, statistical models, anything basically, you can use the Gaussian analysis. So it's for you to see where it's relevant for you and be able to use it. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed, please don't forget to hit the like button below here. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new similar videos. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.